In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a scam on Facebook Marketplace. If you've spotted a suspicious listing or seller, reporting it helps keep the community safer and alerts Facebook's review team. I'll walk you through the exact taps so you can complete the report quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the home screen, look to the upper right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu, where you'll find shortcuts to different parts of Facebook. From this menu, tap Marketplace. That takes you to the buying and selling section. If you're already in Marketplace, you can stay right there. Now, find and tap the specific item you want to report. Think of this as opening the listing detail page. You need to be on the item itself to access the reporting tools. It might be something with a price that's too good to be true, low quality photos, or details that don't add up, whatever raised your concern. With the listing open, look again to the upper right and tap the three-dot icon. This icon reveals more options related to that post. A small panel or screen will appear. When you see a prompt to proceed, tap Continue. This simply moves you into Facebook's reporting flow for that listing and prepares the system to capture the exact reason you're reporting. Next, choose Scam as the reason. Selecting Scam tells Facebook that you believe the listing is misleading, fraudulent, or intended to trick buyers. If you're unsure, remember that scams often involve requests to move the conversation off platform, odd payment methods, or pressure to pay before you've verified anything. Selecting the Scam option helps route your report to the right review category. Finally, tap Submit. This sends your report to Facebook for review. You might not get a long response back, but your report is logged, and it contributes to the overall safety of Marketplace. Submitting the report doesn't contact the seller, and it doesn't post anything publicly. It just flags the listing for review. That's all you need to do. Open Facebook, use the three lines to get to Marketplace, open the item, tap the three dots, continue into the reporting flow, choose Scam, and submit. Interfaces can change slightly over time, so if labels look a bit different, follow the same placement and prompts, and you'll reach the same outcome. Thanks for taking a moment to report suspicious activity. Your action helps protect other buyers and keeps Marketplace safer for everyone.